If you guys would like to see how I achieve this hairstyle and this makeup look, stay tuned and keep watching. So we're getting right into the video. I started off by doing my hair first. I'm just parting the front section off for the side swoop. And then I'm just gonna tuck that section away so I can do the 2 space buns. So I'm just gonna spray water on my hair to soften it up. Then I'm gonna use the She Is Bomb Edge Control. And I'm just brushing that with my bristle brush, and I'm gonna use Got To Be glue to further hold down my edges. And I'm just gonna use a scrunchie to hold it down. And I'm just gonna wrap the hair around and form it into a bun. And I'm gonna repeat the same step on the other side. This time I didn't really use the same method as the last one for my bun, but you get the gist. And now I'm just gonna use edge control. I used both the She Is Bomb and the Got To Be glued for the side swoop, and I just brushed it down, and I'm just gonna use a bobby pin to pin it. And I went in with my smaller bristle brush to make that swoop extra sleek, and I'm just gonna style my edges. And y'all, this is my favorite part. I always like to have a nice sideburn. And I just wrapped my hair up, and I'm just gonna wet the back portion of my hair to define the curls so the style can look neater. And after using the water to soften my hair and define the curls, I went with the Camille Rose Aloe with the butter gel. And I'm just randomly just taking pieces of my hair and rubbing the product through. And now I use these hair balls or hair bubbles as, like, you know, decoration to make the style pop more. And that's really all I did for the hair. Now moving into makeup. So I used the dark brown and the lighter brown shade in the TooFaced palette, and I'm just going to be patting that on my eyelids because I'm just going to do a soft brown smoky look. And I used that lighter brown shade to fade out the dark brown that I used on my lid. And now I'm going in with this Immortal Face Oil as my base because I want my makeup to be glowy. And then I went in with the Pore Filler by NYX as my primer. Now I'm just putting the foundation on my face. Well, BB cream. I used BB cream. And I'm just blending it out. Honestly, guys, the rest of this video, you can literally just watch it and it's literally self-explanatory. So I'm gonna stop talking and you guys can watch me work my magic. this is the finished look, guys. I really love the way it came out. Let me know if you guys like this look too. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.